A trip to the grocery store ended very badly for a Chandler man after he accidentally shot himself in the groin. ABC 15's Corey Rangel is live in Chandler. Corey, police calling this an accident, but how did it happen?
Steve, police tell me the man had the gun tucked into his pants. When it fired, it hit him squarely where it hurt the most.
I don't really know what to say about that. That's, wow. Yeah, I'm baffled right now.
What happened in this parking lot is hard for guys to even imagine.
Definitely makes me cringe, without a doubt. I mean, what man wouldn't?
Very painful. Very painful.
Chandler police say a man accidentally shot his penis after tucking his girlfriend's pink pistol in the waistband of his pants. And police tell me the bullet just didn't hit his groin.
The round went through his penis into his left leg and exited his left leg.
The man had to be taken to the hospital for surgery, but all of the guys I talked with took a shot at how careless they say the man was.
I think you should learn how to handle a gun a little better.
I mean, if you don't know what you're dealing with, then don't handle a gun.
You just can't, you know, you got to be responsible.
So no sympathy for the guy.
I mean, like I said, I feel bad for the guy, but at the same time, it's kind of his fault.
And police say this is a reminder that people should always treat guns as if they're loaded. And even though this was an accident, police say the man could face weapons charges. We're live in Chandler. Corey Rangel, ABC 15 News.